Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am off to the gym right now. We are going to a class. We're going to body combat, which is like a bit like boxing, and I would take you guys with me, but I don't know how other people feel about the whole camera thing. It's a 30-minute class and I actually really enjoy it because it goes really quick. And then I'm just gonna come home, have a shower, have something to eat, and then Mum and I are gonna go to IKEA and I'll bring you guys with me.
You never gave me.
Stressed.
Why the drive-through is like so squishy?
You never got anything. No, mate, not even serious. I never got anything. When I was 15, I got nothing.
What do I get?
Just the ice latte. Hi, can I just get a grande size iced latte with caramel and on almond milk, please? No, thank you. Thank you.
What'd she say? 6:35.
I don't know. To be quite honest.
Yeah, she's very quiet.
First window, did she say?
Next one, because there's an arrow there.
Oh.
Thank you, next.
I think we went. When we go to it.
Yeah, nice
Hi.
one. 6:35. What'd you do with your card?
You had it.
Oh.
I'm just letting you know, that's all I know. It's got PJ knows a bit of this.
If you don't have one of these, it's a wrap of loyalty cards. Get one. So after you've spent a bit, you get freebie.
Yeah, boy. Love my freezer wrapping.
Yeah. Pretty quiet around here tonight.
Always quiet. Here, you too.
Cheers, there's a wrappers. I just love these.
Legit the good.
Yeah. Iced latte on almond milk with a shot of caramel. So
With
good.
a shot of caramel.
So good.
Thank you so much for that shot of caramel.
It's delicious.
Because I need that sugar in my life.
Oh.
Don't
Hang
hit
on,
me.
punner. Bloody Domino's drivers.
Please
Gotta watch those.
don't hit me. Off to IKEA now.
Lock the top off, it's just a roof. She said, where we going? I don't say.
Yeah, what are you doing? You're supposed to be doing 60, mate. Gin distillery there.
My dad's favourite place.
Your dad is like an absolute legend.
Get along.
Absolutely. If I come to Yarragon, can me and your dad go and do a gin
Oh, yeah.
course?
There's gin everywhere there, so.
We'll invite you, obviously.
You're a bin chicken. Hopefully they have some goodies because this way, Mum. So this is IKEA, so they basically show what they have. Look at this cute walking
That's pretty like funky, eh?
Is it?
Yeah. Not bad.
These are cute.
$100.
Oh, these are nice too.
$200.
So yeah, they basically show everything, and oh, they've got even macrame hangings.
Oh, yeah.
And then you just go downstairs and buy them. Buy what you want. And then they have some things that you actually just take. It's pretty weird actually, when you think about it.
Displaying everything.
It's just like walking into a display home.
A big display.
Display. Where's the seats? Oh, you're a goose. Yeah, just a big goose, I know. Well, that was a waste of time. didn't get one thing, so we love that.
Like a dynamite, 'cause I told you once, and I told you twice. Wasting time, I know you're wasting time when you should be with me instead. Better than he can.
Gotta hit the road.
Worst song.
I can get used to this. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the horse. Hello guys, so it is Friday night and I'm about to go out on the town with my best friend. We are going down for drinks just at a place called The Collective at Palm Beach. So I'll take you guys with me. Yeah. Smile.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And
Oh.
Don't.
Hi, how are ya? Can I have 2 separate orders, thanks? They're both the same though. A 6-pack of nuggets and a chocolate sundae.
No worries, I just sweet and sour sauce for both.
Sweet and sour sauce?
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
No worries, so they will both come to $6.90 each.
Thank you.
Sundae and nuggets. Hello guys, so it is Saturday morning and I've already been to the gym. I've got an acupuncture as well, and I also went out for breakfast and had just an acai bowl, and now I'm just doing some editing right now. So I get acupuncture for my thyroid, as I have an underactive thyroid, and it really helps me. It just like relieves the symptoms, so yeah, it's really good. Hello guys, happy Sunday. So today I had to wake up at 4:30 a.m. I had a makeup client and I'm pretty tired actually. It's only 12 o'clock and it feels like this day has just dragged so much. But yeah, and then Mum and I went to a cute little cafe called the Fresh Pantry at Oxenford at Gold Coast. You guys would have seen how amazing the food looked. Like, wow, the acai bowl was amazing and the pancakes were like delicious. So yeah, other than that, just been chilling at home, and I think Mum and I are gonna go to Westfield just to do some shopping because we're bored out of our brains. So you would have seen that actually ended up going to the Burleigh Pavilion instead of the Collective. It was meant to rain, so that's why we were going to go to the Collective, but it didn't end up raining and it was so hot, so we thought might as well check Burleigh Pavilion out, and it was like so cute and it was right like on the water. Like, it was amazing. I highly recommend you go like sunset because it would just be like so beautiful. Hi baby. Ooh, he loves it. Ear rub. Hello guys, so man, it has been a big day. I am so tired. It is 9:30 and I'm so ready for bed. It's been a pretty big weekend for me and I'm so glad that I got to share that with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am going to the Sunshine Coast in 2 weeks, having a little weekend getaway with my girl. I am so excited, like, oh, I'm so excited. I cannot wait. So that will probably be the next vlog. Probably won't do any more vlogging before that, but I will still do like my makeup kind of videos before then. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, like, you know, I just love the support. But yeah, I will talk to you guys soon. Good night, sweet dreams. I'm out.